How are you?
Hi.
I'm so
देख
tired.
ऐसा ही मतलब of course okay hi guys I don't know how to start this podcast and all but हम लोग बहुत chill है ठीक है अफरा साक्षी
Aisha.
okay now this podcast is all about chatting gossiping females and yes we are here to listen अगर कभी किसी को anonymously भी आके कोई अपना चिट 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 चाशट करनी है तो behind the camera बैठ के वो कर सकता है और वो चाहे तो हम उसकी वॉइस भी हटा देंगे हाँ because of course in this world nowadays कोई सुनता नहीं है but हम बैठे हैं no हम वेली नहीं है it's just we have that curiosity and audacity both to listen and to be heard
और हम थेरेपिस्ट नहीं है, हम चार्ज नहीं करते इसका.
हम सुंदर
सही
भी हैं।
पकड़े हैं.
और हम सुंदर भी हैं ठीक है we are nice plumpy healthy खानदान की but yeah we are prettier but yeah so you guys are most welcome कमेंट में कुछ भी लिखना है लिखो यार तुम गाली भी लिखो हमें बुरा नहीं लगेगा हम जिंदगी में इतनी गाली खा चुके हैं अब जो भी लिखो उसको तो हमें कोई फर्क नहीं
वो भी
पड़ेगा
अपनों से. आप तो फिर भी अननोन हो.
आप तो अननोन है आप कुछ भी करें हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है सो वी आर इन दुबई लिविंग इन दुबई ये दोनों तो यही पैदा हुई हैं पली बड़ी हैं ठीक है मैं आई केम हियर लाइक 6 years ago but yeah we're family and she's married I am complicated she's looking for a guy so अगर कोई
Yes.
ऐसे रिश्ते हो या someone who really likes
comment,
her
yeah.
उसकी आवाज पसंद आए या स्माइल पसंद आए तो प्लीज रिश्ते रिश्ते
अब मैंने ऑकवर्ड हो जाना है. मेरी आवाज सडनली बेकार हो जाएगी और मेरी स्माइल से जाएगी.
ओ बाय द वे बहुत अच्छा गाना गाती है खाना भी अच्छा आई डोंट नो मैंने खाना तो नहीं खाया इसका मतलब बर्तन धोते देखा आज तो अच्छे बर्तन धोती है that's important cleanliness is the first thing okay right so this is gonna be all chillax मतलब you can watch us whenever you feel like either driving जब दिमाग की बहुत धई हुई हो तो हमें सिर्फ कुछ सुनना है जो ऐसा नहीं है कि फिलोसफियां चल रही है ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई लेसन दे रहा है क्योंकि आजकल हर कोई सिखाना चाहता है हम सिखाना नहीं चाहते हम अपना शेयर करेंगे आप अपना शेयर करो विल टॉक शिट विल टॉक gibberish at times maybe आपको नहीं समझ आएगा maybe we'll start with the topic and end with the topic which we'll realize कि हमने जो टॉपिक शुरू किया था वो टॉपिक पे हम कभी पहुंचे ही नहीं
And that's all humans, all women.
and that's all women and men are also welcome देखो भाई समझो औरत की you know beautiful thing of us speaking is that you'll come to know actually हम औरतों का दिमाग चलता कैसे because apparently men still cannot consider and understand और वो ढूंढते कि यार औरत को कैसा पहचाना जाए you know they give this images वो नहीं आते बने हुए इतनी बड़ी बड़ी किताबें लगा रखी हैं अरे इतनी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड भी नहीं है और इतनी आसान भी नहीं है हाँ हम
हम
complicated
कभी
हैं।
कभार खुद को नहीं समझ पाते लेकिन सामने वाला समझ जाता
हाँ,
है.
मतलब क्या एक्सपेक्ट करोगे जो हमको ही नहीं पता कि अपनी जिंदगी में हमें चाहिए क्या तो तुमसे क्या मांगेंगे एंड देन वी कैन बी वेरी डिमांडिंग राइट लाइक
क्या चाहिए उसका तो जवाब है मेरे पास.
10 करोड़.
मैं तेरी तो मूड करनी से हमें 10 रुपए तुतरे भी दे दो सो
10 करोड़ के 7 करोड़ भी चल जाएगा.
हाँ मतलब ठीक
और
है
उसके साथ में 10 रुपए दे तुरतुरे भी दे देना.
तुतरे तो चाहिए so welcome to this small podcast of ours and of course we three are there at times you're gonna find he too she too or we too so it can be any of us two or
Obviously,
all
both
three
of us cannot talk anything. So
um,
you will never find just two of them.
हाँ because और हमारी I'm sure we are very bad with this editing हाँ so give credits please शुरुआत में मत बोलना कि यार ये ऐसे एडिट किया ये ऐसे कोर्स कर लो ये हमें कोर्स नहीं चाहिए ये हम सिर्फ इसलिए कर रहे because we have curiosity to speak we know we can speak we can speak shit around people also we have done that before many times बहुत लोगों को हम लोगों ने
People hate us for speaking too much.
yeah exactly
Disclaimer.
yeah exactly and there has been time when people have actually asked us कि बस करो बस
अब चुप हो जाओ.
अब चुप हो जाओ तो तुम्हारा जब दिल करे you can just you know close the fucking
कभी
video
कभार
and-
हम बोलते भी है ना किसी को कि अरे हमको ना आरजे का कंपटीशन में जाना है तो सामने से बस ये रिप्लाई आता है हाँ तुम तो बकवास करने के लिए बनी हो जाओ आराम से जीत जाओगे.
You know, apparently I also wanted to be an RJ. In my school, there was this classes given
Mhm.
by RJ Nitin.
Ooh.
So it talking about like way back in 2000, probably 7 or 2006. When I was in my 10th, we had this RJ course, and I did it, and I was certified. Like I was given a certification of the best RJ in that group, and I went to my parents so happily, "Mama, dekho, I got a certificate." I was like, मार्क्स कितने आए हैं? मैंने कहा fuck it. मैंने कहा ये नहीं होएगा. So I think we all three has this in common that we always want to achieve something in our life, but we are somewhere else yet happy. Okay, we do not complain about what we have, and we cherish where we are. We know how to love. We know how to enjoy. We know how to crib and rant
Yap.
Rant तो हमारा मिडिल नेम है.
and gossip. See,
वो फर्स्ट नेम
we judge, but we don't speak in front of them. We speak to us.
Yeah.
Like हम आपस में.
We listen and we judge.
But then we will judge you only and keep it between us.
Yeah.
Until unless you want us to speak out
Give you a
loud.
feedback. Constructive criticism.
हाँ, मतलब कुछ भी.
Oh god.
मतलब you know corporate culture में ये बहुत हो गया है. This is thing called as the feedback, the sandwich feedback. जहाँ पे आप start ना, you're good at this, but तो कुछ ना managers ऐसे होते हैं जो इतना abuse कर चुके हैं इस चीज को, like my ex manager. Aisha, you've done an amazing work at this. Okay, but 1, 2, 3, 4. But you know what? There's nobody like you. अरे भाई beginning और तुमने end में जो बोला है ना, मुझे उसकी पड़ी नहीं है. At this point, उसको इतना misuse भी is like small. Abuse किया हुआ है ना उस feedback को कि जब कोई तारीफ भी करते हैं ना, बोलते हैं where is the but?
See, I'll tell you something. One thing about but which everyone should know. भाई आपको कोई भी लड़की कुछ भी बोले ना, and उसके बाद अगर वो बोले but, तो ऐसा है. When there's a but, whatever said before is nothing. Forget it. What matters is the but and afterward. Okay? And this actually, if you're gonna recall any of an incident, you're gonna actually find.
इसने एक स्कूल की टीचर बोलने की कि आपका बच्चा पढ़ाई में बहुत अच्छा है,
लेकिन
बहुत शरारती है, मस्ती करता है,
लेकिन
खास कंप्लेंट आती है, लेकिन पढ़ाई में अच्छा है.
हाँ, so वो but पढ़ाई में अच्छे सुनाई
लेकिन
देगा
वो
ना?
एग्जैक्टली पीटीएम में कभी वो सुनाई नहीं देता कि मार्क्स अच्छे मिले या कुछ. वो लेकिन के बाद जो आता है ना, सिर्फ वही
हाँ, घर पे
जिससे मार पड़ती है.
बच्चे ने टॉप भी किया हो 98%, 99%, लेकिन वो लेकिन के घर पे जाकर पिटाई होती है फिर.
लेकिन अगर वो लेकिन आ जाए तो I think that's human nature. Somewhat we give more importance to that but and that afterwards of it, not that but वाला but, but
Not
वाला but,
B-U-T-T.
नहीं है.
I love you, but as a friend.
Oh shit.
Oh god.
No. Are we talking personal experiences at this point?
No, ये नहीं हुआ. I love you तक आया ही नहीं. As a friend तो बहुत दूर की बात है.
What do you mean? अभी तक ऐसा नहीं मिला इसको तो बोले यार.
Sorry.
I kind of like you, but as a friend
नहीं मिला.
नहीं मिला. तुझे मिला?
नहीं.
अबे यार.
इसने बोला है.
तुमने बोला है.
मैंने बोला है.
हाँ, like see.
God forgive me for that. मैंने बोला I like you but as a friend.
इसने friend
Or
zone
as a
किया है.
brother.
Oh.
Or as a family. Not brother exactly but as a family.
भाई तुम फैमिली बोल के उस बंदे को बोल रहे हो एज अ फैमिली. तुम फैमिली में तुम भाई बना ना.
नहीं,
मामा
मैं
थोड़ी
ऐसे
बनेगा,
नहीं बोलती.
चाचा थोड़ी
मैं
ना बनेगा. वो भाई बनेगा ना फैमिली.
Sorry.
मुझे जब ऐसे मिला है ना कुछ, तो मेरा रिस्पॉन्स सामने से हुआ, I really appreciate your inputs. I don't feel bad about it. I feel happy. And what you do to persuade is what is, that defines your intentions about.
हाँ.
सामने वाला बंदा ना अच्छा करे ना बुरा करे, उसके बाद सीधा गोस्ट करे.
So you have been ghosted.
No. This is I was waiting for them to ghost me. कुछ लोग होते हैं ना कि आप जान के ऐसी बुरी चीजें करते हो कि यार ये बस साइलेंटली चला जाए. साइलेंटली चला
Oh
जाए.
yeah, I've done that. Been there. So I have said I
never been
agree.
ghosted.
I have said a lot of.
I have no idea what you guys are talking. I can't relate. I've never been ghosted.
Okay. No, I have.
मैं बोलती थी कुछ बट ठीक है.
हाँ मतलब रहने दे. So we know something which we are not gonna say here. That's gonna be.
क्योंकि जो ब्लॉक लिस्ट में होंगे वो इस प्रोफाइल में अनब्लॉक्ड हो सकते हैं.
Ouchie, 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 ouchie.
Let's talk about the main thing right now is शादी. ये एक बच्चा in line है. ये over and out हो चुका है. ये going through.
हम ऑर्डर में बैठे.
हाँ, it's actually there in order, right? That in line है, मैं over and out हो चुकी हूँ. And she's running into it,
Still
right?
married, still married.
Still married, Baba.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
No, I'm staying married. I'm just saying still married.
हाँ, still married. So, how is your journey going? कैसे कैसे आदमी टक्कर कर रहे हैं तुम्हें? या टक्कर मतलब are they even coming across to you or
They are probably intimidated.
मुझे ये मिलता है कॉम्प्लीमेंट किया, शी नोज व्हाट शी वांट्स इन लाइफ
हाँ.
एंड देन आई एम गोस्टेड.
Ouch.
oh
Oh no.
I think
Like-
nowadays the men does not like people who they assume that she can overpower us. Like they do not want females.
Yeah, obviously female who is like well settled and established and probably earning more than the man, they feel insecure.
See,
in the
income and
position.
earnings come later. I have seen usually also एक normal friendship के अंदर भी अगर there is an overpowered or a lady who's overshadowing a man, I think they get offended.
But that's only because the man is not manning up. So somebody has to man up.
True that.
But I have seen both the faces. I've seen
Mhm.
many people. I have seen men started learning the names of the brands and staying with friends in just order to have their life sorted because apparently they started learning from females, get reference easy, get jobs. Like I have people in my knowns जिन्होंने स्पेशली सिर्फ ऐसे उन फीमेल्स के साथ रखा हुआ है जिनका उनको पता है कि अच्छा सोशल है, अच्छा वर्क है, so and then they start being like probably they are on that part of having female instincts, but then they start knowing the names of the brands to impress and all. And I've seen on the other hand men who still thinks that औरत घर में होनी चाहिए.
Oh yes.
वो मतलब even like staying in Dubai and realizing that यहाँ पे भी लोग ऐसे रहते हैं जहाँ पे नहीं यार my husband won't allow. अरे
लेकिन कुछ लोग तो बस ऐसे होते हैं कि मैं हस्बैंड से पूछ के बताती हूँ और कभी हस्बैंड तक बात भी नहीं जाती. मतलब बेचारा हस्बैंड उसमें
she should feel blessed actually.
It's more like if I don't want to do something, I have someone I can put the blame on. Husband is busy, husband has a plan.
So अगर नहीं जाना है और कोई बंदा नहीं
Exactly.
पसंद आ रहा है या मनी नहीं है तो ये like मेरे को नहीं
Because
डाल
अपने सोसाइटी to be honest,
तो किस पे डालेगी ब्रो माँ पे.
अरे नहीं सुनना देख एक्चुअली मसला क्या पता है अपनी सोसाइटी में इश्यू ये है कि वी कैन नॉट से नो टू एनीथिंग. मतलब somehow we are always expected to say yes. तो अब हमेशा कभी मूड नहीं होता यार. Sometimes you are just too exhausted.
Correct.
तो उस टाइम पे हमने I'll have to ask my husband, I'll have to check with my husband. Husband को घंटा कुछ नहीं पता.
या probably like जैसे कल शाम को she was calling me तो क्या कर रही है चल तू आ जा. I said bro see I am not moving today. I was very blatant. मैं नहीं कर रही. हिम्मत हुई तो मैं आऊंगी नहीं तो मैं नहीं आ रही. मैं sorry.
See, that is okay between us.
But then this is not what we can do to others.
Exactly.
Like I can call her and say that कुछ भी हो मुझे मिलना है मैं नीचे आ रही हूँ. Let's go and have a tea. I can like pick you too also. You too can come and pick me up anytime and we would not mind. When there are people जिनको आप ऐसे बहाने भी नहीं दे सकते हो और
Especially when it's family or something. You know.
हाँ like
तो फिर अपने वो देसी माहौल में उसको बुरा समझता है.
but then I don't you think like अब देसी माहौल वाली चीजें like they're going off slowly.
They are going off, but वो slowly भी जा रही है ना. मतलब it's still taking a lot of time.
But don't you think थोड़ा कहीं ना कहीं I feel that ये देसी माहौल हमारा जा रहा है ना. I feel like that old way of celebrating things is also vanishing with it.
True that.
Yeah.
True. Very, very
डेफिनेटली ये जैसे यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि अभी स्लोली वो जा रहा है या डिसाइड करना होता है या 4 लोगों को पूछना होता है. दैट इज एक हद तक मैनेजेबल. बाकी उठ के क्यों बैठ गई?
I can't see you. That's why.
Okay. Eye contact. Yeah.
आई
okay.
कॉन्ट.
People doubt us when we are speaking loud and they wonder ये लड़ रहे हैं क्या?
यार our husbands doubt us कि हम दोनों straight भी है कि नहीं.
Your husband.
Your husband also.
No bro.
Yes.
No husband yet. No husband.
Ah.
It's a situation.
पार्टनर, योर पार्टनर.
Partner, I'm a companion probably. So I will not give any tags as such. No tags. Okay.
No
Mommy,
strings.
Papa, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है अभी.
No strings attached. No strings attached.
Yeah, no strings attached. But yes, people doubt us. People have seen us also talking at late night and they wonder about what they're talking for the whole night.
शी हरसेल्फ वाज द ये मुझे छोड़ के क्या बात?
और ये स्टेयर्स पे खड़े होकर देख रही है. ये क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
Oh, nice.
क्या? इसको इसमें ये गप्पे मार रही है, ये बातें कर रही है.
इसको फोमो हो रहा था बिग टाइम.
मुझे नीचे आना था
और गप्पे
लेकिन माय
मारनी थी।
चाइल्ड वाज स्लीपिंग
sleeping. Talking about child. खैर तू तो उस टॉपिक में आ ही नहीं सकती है फिलहाल।
I am
तेरा
still a
boyfriend-
child.
पहले कह रही बॉयफ्रेंड है ना, खुद
I
बच्चा
need-
हो
yeah.
चाइल्ड का
मैं भी
अब्बा
खुद
ढूंढना
बच्चा।
पहले चाइल्ड का अब्बा मिलेगा तो
चाइल्ड का अब्बा।
Potential.
सी अब्बा तो मतलब चाइल्ड तो ऐसे ही मिल जाएगा ना, उसके लिए अब्बे की जरूरत नहीं होती है to give it.
Point to be
It's a
noted.
point. It's a point. Okay, it's a valid point. But yes, अभी इतने हम वो हुए नहीं है कि हम
Liberal.
हाँ मतलब विदाउट अब्बा
Liberal?
वाला चाइल्ड लेयर तुम अपनी माँ को बोलो कि अब देखो मैं आपको नानी बना दी।
मैं तो अगर अडॉप्शन कोई बोल दो ना मम्मी यार छोड़ो लड़का सीधा अडॉप्ट ही करते हैं
हाँ
क्यों
क्यों
फिर शादी कैसे करेगी भाई जब अडॉप्ट करी हो तो शादी क्यों करूंगी
वो 4 बिल्लियां घर में वैसी ही है। 9 और रख लेंगे हो जाएंगे 12-11 बच्चे
ऐसे ही है बस।
है ना। देख इसने यहाँ पे भी 4 रखी हुई हैं और नीचे भी आई थिंक तुम्हारे पास में वहाँ पे 4-5 तो है।
हाँ 3 है
3 है और क्या चाहिए जिंदगी में। तो हम कहाँ थे? We were talking about its impact. We were talking about people misusing this buts when it comes to, and then we were talking about ghosting. Yes. So apparently, yes, a lot of people have faith. I'm sure have rose. Yeah, I think rose. कुछ एक अच्छा सा number like we should Google this and check how many people get ghosted in a day around the world.
चैट जीपीटी
हाँ पूछना चाहिए।
चैट जीपीटी
So अगर imagine इतने सारे लोग are being getting ghosted.
then who's the one ghosting them bro
Exactly, and where the people who are being ghosted and then people who are ghosting them, तो ये फिर ऐसे अच्छे लड़के हमारी तरफ क्यों नहीं बोलते?
क्योंकि एक बार जब उनका कट जाता है ना then they become the one who will ghost others
Revenge.
but किसी और से लेके फायदा क्या है
बड़े बड़ा I've seen females do that.
definitely
अगर जैसे उनका they had been to a bad relationship, so the second relationship वो जो रखती है ना, that is 90% rebound if they are married within 2 to 3 months. Okay, and मेरा ये opinion है that being a female for myself also कि हम ना फिर वो एक revenge mood में होती है। फिर हम कहेंगे हम ये नहीं करेंगे, हम ये नहीं करेंगे, वो ऐसे करता था तो I will make sure I'm going late night partying, I'm having a male friend, I'm gonna wear the shortest dress possible on this earth, and somewhere we are trying to justify ourselves that हम slaves बन के रही हैं, we were so much
गलत हम नहीं थे सामने वाला था
हाँ मतलब we forget that it was both the ways, don't you think?
वो self reflect becomes more like self defense
No, I think we start. I'm not getting the right word, but when we start sympathizing with ourselves, it's an empathy and sympathy, right?
करेक्ट
तो हम लोग
विक्टिम
सेल्फ पिटी होने लग जाती हैं,
ऐसा ही है
and then एकदम से वो ब्रेक होता है, and then we find oh fuck we were self pitying ourselves,
एग्जैक्टली
and then we want to get out of the relationship just because we're done with that person, and then we find another one. women are simple यार, मैं बता रही हूँ शुरुआत से, औरत बहुत आसान।
ऐसा ही है बस
See, person who is into a relationship, marriage, not relationship, एक बच्चे की माँ, I'm a single parent, मेरा 13 साल का बेटा है, ये औरत अभी आदमी ढूंढ रही है, she wants to eat this beautiful
she wants
laddu.
to find a पसंदीदा मर्द
Yeah, she's finding, और हमने इतनी रील सेव कर रखी है ना, जब इसका पसंदीदा मर्द आएगा और इसकी शादी होगी और फिर हम लोग ऐसी रील्स बनाएंगी, उसको जीजू जीजा जीजा जी क्या बुलाना है, लाइक एवरीथिंग इज रेडी, लाइक उसके कपड़ा
बस लड़का ढूंढ के दो
हमें सब लड़का चाहिए, एंड अपेरेंटली
जिंदा हो कमाता हो पैसा व्हाट वाज दैट
पैसा गाड़ी महंगा घर नहीं
ऐसा ही।
नहीं
पैसा अगेन पैसा गाड़ी बंगला घर, so yeah, something like that. Okay, see बंगला
साथ ही साथ इमोशनली अवेलेबल भी हो प्लीज एंड एज अ गुड कम्युनिकेटर आजकल के लोगों में ये होता ही नहीं है
मैंने एक बात बताऊं, ऐसे तो तुझे 4 लड़के अलग अलग ढूंढने पड़ेंगे क्योंकि इमोशनली अवेलेबल, पैसा, गाड़ी, महंगा घर, आई एम श्योर दीस 4 शुड नेवर
You
मीट ईच
forgot
अदर
about the Surat. What do you really want to get married to someone who's like very smart, tall, dusky? I don't know your preferences, but yeah, like
Assuming.
something assuming.
हाँ हर उसका प्रेफरेंस ही है ना, 6 फुट का होना चाहिए, मैन बन होना चाहिए, बियर्ड होनी चाहिए, और पैसा
अबे
होना
बेयर तो अपनी
चाहिए।
खेत की मतलब कहते हैं ना वो
वो
अपनी
नहीं, I have seen grown ass men without facial hair. और उनका facial hair ही पता है कैसे आता है? It's like एक आधा पैच इधर है, आधा गायब है, आधा पैच इधर है, आधा
तो
गायब
probably उन्होंने बचपन में उस तरह नहीं लगाया.
Then you know they're not a man.
I like, come on, like, men
Like,
do
you know,
have.
in my opinion, how women look after makeup is a man with beard. तो अगर वो बगैर beard के अच्छा लग रहा हो, then with beard he will 100% look nice.
I've even seen. I used to assume that Sardars would not look handsome. I have seen very handsome, sexy Sardars who look ultimately beautiful with their beard and the turbans. इतने सुंदर लड़के देखे ना मैंने. बट ये सब सुंदर लड़के मैंने तब देखे जब मेरा बच्चा भी हो गया था. ठीक है. And then people came across, oh, you know, we liked you back then. मैंने कहा बहन कहाँ थे? और बीप बीप तब कहाँ थे? हाँ मेरे साथ ये हुआ है. Like when I got married, first there were rumors that she ran off because I was alien to school. School खत्म हुआ, I was completely alien. People thought I ran off. Then people had an idea and I have 4 kids. That's what the rumors about, which I've heard.
4 kids.
4 kids. Then someone said that like she left the country or not because of course जब आपको कोई खबर नहीं पहुंच रही होती है, it's freshly things, so people tend to have this tendency to कुछ तो बोलना है ना, हम भी बोलते हैं big deal. But then after my separation, that's the beauty of, I think that's the beauty of human beings, I suppose so. After my separation, okay, because like she's finding one, right? After my separation, I came across n number of my own acquaintances, my friends, people in school, and they came and then they claimed that you know what, we really liked you back then, and I was like, why did you approach me?
अब क्या फायदा?
Ab kya fayda? And do you have that much of guts to come and accept me as I am now? Because of course going through a very big bad phase. Like mine is a very beautiful Bollywood story. Uska podcast kabhi ek din alag se banayenge. So we'll discuss the worst happen in our relationship. But yeah, for now, as she's finding a man and I have been through one and she's into one, I realized that ye ifs, ye buts, and the things which we look, green flags, red flags. What are your real green flags? Like, abhi chodo meri kahani, I am dropping in bit just because I want to know her green flags. It's a good idea. I want to know about it.
My green flags. जो किसी के लिए green होंगे, किसी के लिए red होंगे. It depends on how people perceive it. Exactly.
Exactly.
So I would, जैसे पहले इसमें you were talking about कि वो revenge phase होता है. I actually wouldn't give that revenge phase. I would still be like नहीं यार, हमारा कटा है, हम सामने वाले को तो ठीक से still give all our thing. लेकिन सामने वाला बोलेगा ऐसे response मुझे आया like yeah, that's too much love, you're love bombing, or you're choking me with your love. तो जो एक और किसी के लिए if you don't give that, they would be like हाँ ये पुराने वाले इसका बदला हमसे निकाल रही है. So it's
Assumptions.
exactly the A's and B's, assume and blame.
Oh,
जो चलता है.
Very common.
तो
So the green flags क्या?
ग्रीन मैंने खुद को कभी ऐसे एनालाइज नहीं किया ब्रो.
रुक, तू फिर कैसे बंदे ढूंढ रही है?
मैं सामने वाले को एनालाइज कर रही हूँ.
मेरे हिसाब से अगर तुम एक आदमी ढूंढ रहे हो तो एक ग्रीन फ्लैग रेड फ्लैग की डेडलाइन लिस्ट होनी चाहिए.
Pros and cons.
Yes. See, pros and cons is still different. Green flag, red
नहीं,
flag के
मेरे-
habits आ गई ना.
Are you talking about me analyzing my
हाँ,
own green
no,
flags
no,
और
no.
सामने वाला जो मुझे चाहिए?
जो तुझे सामने वाला चाहिए भाई.
एक तो होगा यार कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स प्लीज, जो ऐसा नहीं हो कि हर इसमें ना मुंह फुला के बैठ जाए, बात ना करे एंड देन जस्ट अज्यूम रैंडमली उठ के आए कि ओके फाइन मेरा गुस्सा मैंने शांत कर लिया है, अब हम नॉर्मली रहते हैं. क्योंकि सामने वाला ऐसे एक्सप्रेस ना करके ठीक हो जाता है, लेकिन मैं आई वांट टू स्पीक आउट. जब तक मैं बात करके अपने दिमाग से वो नहीं निकालूंगी ना, वो मुझे खाता जाएगा. सो आई नीड अ पर्सन हु इज विलिंग टू लिसन एंड कम्युनिकेट. एंड
Basically, you need someone in sales then.
नहीं no
Sales people are manipulative, bro.
they're very big.
They can
But then
sell. Dude, I've been in sale. I've sold air, so yeah, I know that.
You've sold it.
I have sold air. I have sold dreams. And touch wood, a lot of people have got what I've sold. मैंने कोई गलत सेल नहीं करी है. But then what the point you're just talking about, I feel पता क्या एक relationship के अंदर जो I have been through, I've like been through ample of them. What I realize is अगर husband and wife or two partners, two
Mhm.
companions, they're arguing, right?
Definitely.
So if either one would not get quiet, that communication is never gonna happen.
Immediately नहीं, but
है
बाद
ना?
में तो करे ना.
हाँ. So like that's very good.
It's
That-
pause.
pause, take a
reflect, talk.
pause. Yeah, but take a pause, maybe for an hour, 2 hour, maybe a day, because you need to have your brain shut off. Because आज के टाइम पे हमें लगता है हमारा रूटीन ही ऐसा कि हम लोग इतने ऑक्यूपाइड है ना कि हमें पता है कि यार 6 बजे उठना है. Like you 5:30, you have to get up.
True.
Right, and you have to be in the office by 8.
Mm.
Right, and I have to be on my calls, on I have to entertain my people by 10, and or I'm working till late hours. That's a necessity. आई थिंक हम लोग इतने ऑक्यूपाइड रहते हैं कि हमें लगता है कि उसी टाइम निकल जाए, बट मेरे ख्याल से इट्स अ गुड थिंग दैट
You pause,
You
reflect, and then you
pause.
talk. Yeah.
Exactly.
Same, because see, now what I do with my husband, अगर हम किसी बात पे we disagree or we have an opinion, first of all, we make it a thing never to carry it on the other day. It has to end or it has to be solved within that day. Second of all, if my child is around, then we will not discuss or talk about it. We'll be nice because obviously you don't want to fight in front of a child. So
That's very important.
we wait till she is in her play area or play group or she's distracted, she's not around us. We make sure we speak it out, not at the moment. क्योंकि जब आप गुस्से में होते हो ना तो आप कुछ भी बोलते हो. And sometimes the things which you say, you might just say it out of anger, but you never know how it's going to affect the other person.
करेक्ट.
So we always keep quiet. We will take our half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours. उसके बाद में we will make sure we address the issue कि this is my issue. How do you want to resolve it? And my husband, touch wood, he's a nice person. बेचारा वो कलेश करने से पहले उसके पास सुझाव होते हैं. So not necessarily I get to do a lot
So
of
you see,
kalesh.
this point of understanding must have reached after a time knowing each other,
Exactly,
right?
exactly.
हाँ, so at least when she's talking about it, that come clearly. It's not that we females want to talk out that really moment,
Mm.
but yeah, अगर आप pause ले रहे हो तो आप pause लो, but then do talk it out in an hour, in a day, or a 2 days. Like you have to know your women in that case. So that's very important. And I
Very
think it's for the men also, yeah. मतलब ये नहीं है कि औरतों को, ये आदमियों को भी बोलना होता है. I've known like 90%. I was seeing someone was talking about men that nowadays men in 40 are majorly affected by cardiac arrest.
Mm.
They are depression. They go through bad phases. They get alcoholic. Like there's so many things coming across. और because पता है क्या है, आदमी ना बोलता नहीं.
Mm.
And I feel this is a women's responsibility कि अगर
Give
आप
that safe
बोल रही हो
space,
ना
हाँ.
तो उसको बेचारे को भी तो बोलने दो.
Yeah. Create a safe space around him so that he speaks his mind.
Correct. Like give him that portion. Because बचपन से हमारे में क्या होता है, लड़के को
True.
रोते हुए क्या बोलते हैं, लड़के लड़कियों की तरह रो रहा है. And
That
आजकल-
is very
and
important कि वो
आजकल-
भी, yeah, they speak as well.
हाँ, and आजकल या तो फिर बिल्कुल एक्सट्रीम है कि यार they do not say anything at all and then they let the child have their own decisions to do raw. Kids are this raw clay, the way you want to shape it till the age of 5. So if by the 5 every time he cries as he turns 1, why are you crying like a girl, why are you crying like a girl, so he'll think that girls are supposed to cry. Correct. So I
Exactly.
think we actually need to listen to the men also. That's one of a point. What's your another green point? Green flag.
Green point.
I'll tell you what I did. In the meanwhile, let her think about her green flags because she doesn't have a list prepared. So I was at a point in my life where everything was crashing. Like, I had back-to-back bad years. And then I was talking to someone who was horrible, like horrible in the sense that you're not supposed to talk to other guys. You're not supposed to, you're supposed to act a certain way. You're not supposed to shake hands with other men. And whereas he can do everything. And it's like I was not even in a relationship, but I was still being controlled. I don't know for what joy. And anyways,
I'll be
I
very
was in
open
a,
about it. My ex-husband, he was the same.
And-
He hated me talking to my cousins.
exactly.
He made me block my cousins. He made sure I was cut down from the whole world. Like I did not have friends. But like 12th में कैसे होता है ना, that you have this farewell parties, you wear saris, and dude, I wore a sari with the whole charm, and I never went to a party.
Oh, good Lord.
Like I have given my whole teen adolescence. I know what kind of a men you're talking about.
So in my mind, I knew what type of men I don't want.
Huh.
So even when I met my husband, I was not really looking for a relationship, but I had my list of A, B, C's. I knew this is what I don't want in a man.
Correct.
तो मतलब अब ये ढूंढूं कि मुझे ये चाहिए, और growing up we always fantasize Bollywood movies कि
शाहरुख खान।
घोड़े पे कोई आएगा और हमें लेके जाएगा. Turns out कोई नहीं आता भाई, यहाँ पर लोग चल के भी आ जाए, बहुत बड़ी बात है.
लग जाते हैं.
So in my mind, I was like, I don't want A, B, C, and if I find someone who has, who is not that negative, I didn't go for the green flags. I went for the red flags. हमने कहा अगर red flags ना हो, I will accept it.
Definitely, it's like you don't know what you want, you know what you don't want.
Exactly.
You know?
That's nice.
So that was my criteria.
That is exactly like, even if you're telling me Aisha green flag, मैं भाई मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे
So the
ये
red
चीज-
flags क्या है?
red flags बता रही हूँ ना, he shouldn't shut me down out for communication.
Okay.
जैसे you said that कि controlling नहीं होना चाहिए, cousins वगैरह से बात, I remember my cousin had come to Dubai. मैंने उसको airport से बोला तू क्यों आया है? And I was like, you just take a cab and come home.
Oh shit.
And I didn't even go to the gate to pick him up, He came searching for my car because I was having an argument of मैं अपने cousin को क्यों pick करने गई हूँ रात की 12 बजे की flight के लिए.
Because he's my cousin,
Duh,
bro.
he's my
He's
cousin.
family.
I don't understand that. So
Yeah, पता क्या है? I think हम जो 90s वाले हैं ना, or even 2000s also, till that time, dude, they are brainwashed. Indian men especially, I don't know about the rest. I've met Indian men, I've met more the men, but they
Asian.
are very Asian men. Not even Asian, yeah.
Like South
I mean,
Asians.
South Asians
Hmm.
also probably. And if I see, उनका इतना problem, major problem है cousins.
No, but truth be told, not everyone is the same. ठीक है?
Of course, but majority.
जितने हमें मिले हैं नसीब से, वो सारे के सारे एक ही जैसे.
And it's not like only she got, even I got.
Even I had.
And you had.
Even
Right.
I had.
So that means वो percentage ज़्यादा है ना कहीं. And that percentage कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसा feel होता
I'll
है, they
tell you-
suffer.
I'll tell you what, men, or the type of men that we meet, they are very hypocrite. So they are allowed to do everything
because
but
they're
you
the
cannot.
men.
because they are men, exactly, and you cannot because obviously you're a woman, you're not supposed to, and it happens a lot in our society. Like even I'm not trying to put it on any specific religion, but if you look at Muslim men, you'll find the hypocrisy more.
अरे नहीं यार, it is everywhere.
That's the thing. I'm not trying to do this
Because you have experienced more in your religion. So if I talk about my religion, or I talk about Punjabi religion, or I talk about being Sharmas and Pandit, I'm sorry, but I was married to a Pandit, like a Sharma, Brahmin, which is like one of the, and that
Mm.
Brahmin used to beat me up. So it's not I'm taking sympathy or I don't want empathy. No, I'm very happy, I'm very cool with it. But then it's just a casual conversation where
true.
I think
I think
that
we can just put it as our South Asian men, and that justifies
Yeah, like,
everyone.
yeah, and I think now the generation now, like let's say my kid's generation, who is I don't know what, like he was 2012 born. So what they were
Alpha?
like,
Probably, I don't know,
Alpha?
Gen X?
Gen X? No, he's not Gen X.
Gen
No,
X,
Alpha.
Okay, you can put that in comment box. 2012 वाले बच्चों को आप
क्या
alpha
बोलते
बोलो,
हैं?
बीटा बोलो, Gen X बोलो, क्या है?
नहीं, बीटा तो 2025 के बाद का है.
हाँ तो अल्फा
अल्फा उससे पहले का है.
हाँ तो 12 ही हुआ ना, 10 years का होता है range.
I have no idea.
Whatever.
Please put that down. We want a clarity on it. So whatever it is, what was what actually I was saying? I lost in Gen X. Gen X?
Talking about your
Generation.
हाँ,
कि आज
so,
के
हाँ,
emotions
so this
capacity.
generation, I think they respect and they understand because they see their mothers going through and they understand, they compare, they listen and they react and they
Correct.
like to be listened. So I think mothers like of our age, like जो हमारे अब बच्चे हैं, maybe that men अभी बहुत सारे हैं, like these those guys who are like 24, 25. I've seen what people have started respecting, but वो ना extremist है.
I'll tell you what.
वो extremist
This is my theory. So probably men in our generation, as in the 90s and the 80s, they were raised by fathers who were unavailable.
हाँ.
ठीक है, क्योंकि घर का सारा काम माँ देख रही है, घर माँ चला रही है. Fathers used to go work, come home, feed, financial. Now the thing is, the fathers are more involved, and I feel somewhere as the father is involved, the kids learn more attachment and more emotional support, and now that's why they're understanding.
I think manhood, like they are able to understand manhood.
Exactly.
Because earlier क्या होता था यार, हमारे तो
मतलब रोना नहीं
माओ
है,
नहीं तो
हाँ,
संभाल है।
exactly,
और
लड़कियों के
एक-
जैसे मत रो. So the man thought showing emotions or being like
Vulnerable.
sympathizing or vulnerable is not good. So that's why they used to shut up and they'll be like, okay, cool, whatever. So they've become hypocrite in some places. But the men now or the kids now, because the fathers are more involved, I think this is my theory.
But it was probably
Again.
because they're able to express more.
Exactly.
and
have
also because they see
conversations.
right it's पहले सिर्फ माँ वो इमोशनल अवेलेबिलिटी दिखा रही थी
हाँ।
राइट सो दे वर लाइक ये औरतों का काम है हम आदमी क्यों करें
Correct.
राइट बट नाउ दे सी द फादर्स बीइंग मोर इन्वॉल्वड लाइक अच्छा ये दोनों दिखा सकते हैं यू नो
So I think even nowadays, like of our age, men also understand this concept, but
I
still
mean, getting to that stage with a man is
हाँ,
a long journey.
Understanding आना ना,
हाँ
that the man gives that much to your child, that come easy, but that man has to reach that level to give it to you. तभी वो pass on
वो
करेगा ना।
डिफिकल्ट होता है वो जर्नी वहां तक इज डिफिकल्ट एंड आफ्टर दैट इट फॉल्स ऑन इट्स प्लेस
Probably.
बिकॉज वो मिलता ही नहीं है आजकल ऐसा कोई
यार
और उनको ट्रेनिंग हम क्यों दे भाई
मैं वैसे एक बात करूं, मतलब this is something about me saying about शादी. Dude, शादी ना, it's
A gamble.
No, potluck होता है ना, potluck. आप लव मैरिज कर लो, I had a love marriage. आप अरेंज मैरिज कर लो, मैंने वो भी देख लिया. I've seen people separating after 9-10 years. ठीक है, आप भाग के शादी कर लो तो भी सी आपका है. आप सबके शादी में लव कम अरेंज कर लो. मुझे लगता है अगर आप शादी करनी है ना तो कम से कम 6 महीने का ना कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होना चाहिए, लिव इन कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल
प्रोबेशन पीरियड
प्रोबेशन पीरियड, जैसे हमारी जॉब्स में होता है. 6 महीने तक आपको जाना है, 14 दिन का नोटिस दो और चले जाओ. बट एटलीस्ट नॉट टू स्पॉइल द होल लाइफ. पता है क्यों प्रॉब्लम है? हम बिकॉज व्हेन वी स्टार्ट अर्निंग अप वी फीमेल्स डू फील इंडिपेंडेंट. ओके, और हमें वी हैव अ सेट मेजॉरिटी शेड्यूल, रूटीन, उठना बैठना. मेरे हिसाब से या तो शादी होनी चाहिए, बिकॉज आज के टाइम पे आई थिंक शादी होती 2 महीने 3 महीने कुछ नहीं तो डिवोर्स हो. Like I don't know.
फोटो एल्बम रिलीज होने से
I
पहले
have read and I have seen people getting divorced in like a day or 2 or 3 also sometimes.
And the reasons are
And now the reasons for divorce is becoming like horrible. The other day I read in news that a guy in India divorced his wife because she wouldn't make garam roti for him. She already
Baba,
made
they
roti and
got
kept for him.
divorced because they could not serve 600 people in Bharat.
What the hell, yeah.
Any of news you have read?
नो आई डोंट रीड दिस न्यूज़ वरना मेरा शादी से मन उठ जाएगा
No, see, getting married is beautiful. I'll tell you. You have
It
to
is
have a
fun.
companion.
Yes, exactly.
हम 40 साल के जब होती है ना तो हमें एक आदमी चाहिए. हर औरत को एक आदमी चाहिए और हर आदमी को औरत चाहिए. Apparently पहले क्या होता था?
We are designed like that, like
यार पता है
nature-wise.
एक बात है, पहले ना क्या होता था that आदमियों के लिए ना औरतें बहुत इजीली अवेलेबल थी. ठीक है, अब औरतों के लिए भी आदमी अवेलेबल है. If you
True.
think in that manner.
True.
पहले it was easier for a man to go out, have fun at night and come back, but he used to come back to the wife. But wives used to stay at the wife. मैं ये इंडिपेंडेंस की जो बात कहते थे, हमारा जो रूटीन है, क्यों हमें कंपेनियन ढूंढने में टाइम लगता है, अब हमारे पास भी चॉइसेस है.
एंड जैसे हाँ एंड जैसे you hear any mother say या फिर मैंने एक रील देखा था these days it's difficult for a marriage to sustain because women are not as forgiving as they were before.
Very true.
Why? Because उनके पास एक तो options and they know that okay if this is wrong you shouldn't stand for the wrong. Because for me the last decision I took of splitting with my 13-year-old crush and a 3-year-old boyfriend was that I was like यार ये इससे मैं शादी करूंगी ऐसा ऐसा है okay fine. वो शादी के लिए हाँ नहीं क्या था वो अलग बात है लेकिन like if I choose to be with him I will be forgiving to like I'll forgive him even without him apologizing, but that would be me as a wife. But as children, right, do I really want them to see him as a father and keep that standards?
Very true.
So I was like
Exactly. I had read somewhere that don't choose someone you think you can forgive or live with. Choose someone you want your child to follow.
nah, exactly.
And like you want your child to be with someone like him.
My separation was 90%. If I'll think, yeah, like 50% was my security, of course, because it was a lot of domestic violence, to be beaten up, dowry, and all that shit. On the other hand, it was Abir, my son. Because I always kept on thinking, if I'm just gonna be in such company, ये गुंडा बन जाएगा, ये भी गुंडा बन जाएगा,
True.
ये गुंडा बन
Because-
जाएगा, और मुझे वो नहीं चाहिए था. Like I was like scared for my son. Yeah, ये बदमाश हो जाएगा, ये ऐसे हो जाएगा. तो हम like this is how female things, and I think now fathers also. There are single fathers also, and I appreciate that. Being single father, single parent is not easy. But it's not
As
difficult
long as
also.
the relationship is toxic and you
Correct.
can't save it, I think it's better to just walk out.
You know, actually, people also think how they have issues. हमारा जो मेरे एज ग्रुप के कितने लोग मैरिड हैं, like let's say they got married in 2010, 9, 11, 12, and now they have kids. I think there are 90%, not 90%, but a good percentage where females and these men or they are living together just because of the kids. Toxic है सब कुछ. अलग बेबी शावर वाला कमरा में सो रही हूँ पर बच्चों के लिए साथ है. Don't you think that affects the kids more? That affects the kids
I mean, you
A
should go for
broken
co-parenting in that case, right?
like the kid will understand. आज के टाइम के बच्चे समझते हैं. Yet thanks to the social media, it's an advantage and a disadvantage. Like पहले होता था ना खूबसूरती का भी शाप है, तो social media का भी शाप है.
हाँ.
It's something which it is there. I'm glad, but on the other hand, I'm scared of it. So I have to have a control. तो शादी के अंदर भी ये सोशल मीडिया बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करती है. बिकॉज पता क्या है, लड़कियों के पास हमारे वो सपने बॉलीवुड वाले कि हमें सास प्यार करने वाली, भाई सास होती, सास मां नहीं बन सकती. आई एम वेरी क्लियर ऑन दैट. किसी की भी सास कितनी भी अच्छी हो, सास ही होती है.
Correct.
She would
And-
always choose उनका खुद का बच्चा over you, no
Yeah,
matter
even
what.
if she
See,
gives
that is
support.
not Sa's ka problem. Any parent will choose their kid
Own
against
blood.
other.
Yeah, they're territorial on that case.
Yeah,
exactly.
So and on the other hand, I think वही है brother-in-law. मतलब अगर वो son-in-law है तो वो son-in-law ही जवाई ही रहेगा. जवाई नाराज हो गया, यार मैंने दो तरीके. I was amazed to see this recently. I attended a marriage and I saw उधर एक जवाई है and that जवाई is not even being asked for the food. खाया नहीं खाया किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. And on the other hand, एक ऐसा जवाई है जो क्रूर है, you know, he's very cruel and all, but yet उसके लिए खाना सबसे पहले लग रहा है, दारू भी लग रही है, नहीं allowed है तब भी लग रही है. I've seen both the ways. So I think like when we're finding someone as a companion, you want to see that is he falling this category or not, you know? I think that's very important.
True.
He was telling her only the other day, वो तो mother's territorial होती है. She sent उसकी daughter की ना passport size new photo. I was like, see, that's the kids, like, you know, that is the reason why people are like, यार इसकी शादी बाहर करा के why take that risk, you know? So you become territorial. भाई मेरा तो बच्चा भी नहीं, but I would be territorial for that kid. Like इसको संभाल के रखो. घर का बड़ा बच्चा है, पहला बच्चा है,
See, but
या
now that-
कोई भी बच्चा हो, like regardless of the number.
See, now that you say about bahar shadi karane ka, again, you can't guarantee. I have met people who've married within the family, like cousin marriages and all of that, and still they are facing the same issues जो वो बाहर face करते हैं. So you can't really be like कि बाहर शादी ना करवाओ या cousin marriages ना करवाओ. Possibility दोनों जगह पे, you never know what type of idiot you end up with.
That's what I'm saying.
Definitely. लेकिन what I'm trying to say is like cousin marriage तो एक अलग ही topic है, उसमें हम घुसते ही नहीं. But what I'm trying to say is वो territorial होना for a mother
True.
is it's always there.
It's the nature. It's the
It's a
nature.
human. हम औरतें
Exactly.
बनाए. भगवान ने औरत और आदमी के, men and women are made separate.
Exactly. One is a
system
nurturer,
अलग बनाया. एक nurturer है, एक
provider है.
See, to be honest, females also have to understand this. जो आज के टाइम पे you divorce लेती है saying, oh, I'm independent, oh, my dad gonna take her. Dude, you are a woman. You were made as a woman. So God made certain set of things which you have to bear. You have to go through periods, you will go through periods. Okay?
True.
You have to bear a child or someone else, you have to bear a child or someone else, right? And the man was made because, and that is the reason we have to bear a child. Like, you know, we are emotionally built this way.
True. Now I see this. I mean, nothing against the feminist people, but now I see this कि बच्चा मेरा है तो मैं अपना husband का नाम क्यों लगाऊं? There's this very fancy trend where women add their own surname along with the father's surname.
To the child.
This is a very
Very
weird,
common.
It's a very common trend.
No,
It's
females
like
not
क्योंकि
applying.
हमने मेहनत करके पैदा किया है, we took the efforts, Why should it be the father's name only?
Without the fucking sperm, how should I?
Tell me about it. So now it's a thing ki
Even
with the child's name.
people will say that, you know, खुद तो divorce है. अरे भाई, biological father था, and I gave him the right to meet,
Correct.
but then he was not even acting like one. So फिर मैं क्यों right दूँ?
Exactly.
ठीक है? And men are less emotionally available when we talk about it. Why? Because हम माएँ हैं. And these females, they think that because they've earned little, studied little, but आप कितनी भी पढ़ाइयाँ कर लो, if you go and see the women who have actually achieved something, go back and look in their homes. वो कितनी mother nurturing होती है, वो कितनी responsible होती है.
True.
They do not show off. They do not need to carry a LV bag or, you know, a Vornado in their hand and big diamond rings. You'll
They're
find
simple mothers.
they're simple mothers and they love. There's so many examples around it, but वो ये ना social media.
True. They will
Ravi
not
Shah
say
पे.
exactly. They will not show all these things.
Definitely. It's basically like आज की society ऐसी बन चुकी है that everything goes by a title, that okay, that's a pilot, salute karo, that's he's in the army, usko salute karo. Whereas basic thing, a teacher who's given them all of this, like, you know, the skills to adapt and grasp all of this, unka naam hi nahi aata kahin, right? And वो teacher, the mother that you bring, like, you know, the mother is like a teacher जो life के fundamentals दिखाती है, सिखाती है, right? And that is what makes a lifestyle. तो आप चाहे एलवी का बैग की बात कर लो या कुछ, वो अगर बेसिक फंडामेंटल्स नहीं हुए, then what successful are you, man? Other half of them are going to therapy.
That is what females have to understand, and that is the reason where these men have to understand the females कि भाई हम लोग अगर emotional हैं, हाँ, we are emotional fools. Yes, we are full of emotions. The reason behind भगवान ने ये emotion इसलिए डाले ताकि बच्चा पैदा करके संभाल सके.
वरना तो सिर्फ automated ही
Oh,
होता.
these, I mean, बच्चा पैदा करने के टॉपिक पे someone I said कि someone I met and she was married for like a certain number of years. So I was like, oh, nice, congratulations, and you know, then she was like, no, we don't have any kids, because I asked her कि she was like, no, we've already decided that we're going to be child free. We don't want to take up the responsibility. On top of that, there's so much of world population. Why do you want to add more? In my mind, or in my concept, the whole purpose is for us to have a lineage. ठीक है,
That's
मतलब,
one of the reasons you can say.
but they were like, no, we don't want child, and you know, it's better for us.
See, you don't
हमारा-
want child, it's okay, but don't blame it to the world population. मतलब कनाडा के अंदर
They were like, it's going to block our life and it's going to, you know,
and
it's-
then let's talk about this, okay? You know, in Canada के अंदर Canadians are very limited. 65% is more than 65 age. You pick a country, you pick up Europe. भाई वहाँ पे उनके they die for kids. वो अफ्रीका इधर उधर से बच्चे अडॉप्ट करके इंडिया से you have
True.
that's increased a lot. पहले तो मतलब hidden रहता था, अब तो लोग open डालते हैं ना. मतलब look at Elon Musk. That Elon Musk is having 14 kids. You know why? Because he says, dude, because I want my family name to run.
True.
The you know, he has this very clear thing. He's creating an empire and he wants his empire to be run.
Exactly.
So why do they blame it on world population?
I have no idea.
लेकिन अगेन कुछ
And
लोगों का
another-
ऐसे होता है ना कि लाइक जैसे हम देखते हैं कुछ लोग ये पॉपुलेशन, हाँ हमको लीनेज, एवरीथिंग हैज इट्स लाइक यू नो गुड एंड बैड, तो वो लीनेज के चक्कर में कई दफा तो भाई हमको लाइक इंडिया में कितना होता है, हमको एक बेटा ही चाहिए जो उसको रन करेगा, या हमको हमारा ही खून चाहिए, चाहे लड़कियां.
And मतलब आज की जो सासें बन रही हैं वो भी ऐसी हैं.
हाँ,
Because वो उनको ऐसा सिखाया गया था. But there have been changes. मैंने देखी है.
चेंजेस रही है, लेकिन ऑब्वियसली
Sorry.
एवरीथिंग हैज इट्स गुड एंड बैड.
Sorry. Hold on.
Probably she want people to come and say, oh, let us just have this cozy cushion. जिसकी भी मोटी उसका भी बड़ा नाम है.
नहीं, ये actually
Pillow
ये
लेटा
ना,
दो.
ये memory pillow है, इसको आप दबाओ तो ये
क्या
उसी shape
क्या
में
क्या
हो
निकलता है इसमें से? ये बस feeling.
Oh, so you have to wave when it starts recording.
Yeah. You
Wow.
have that in your iPhone also.
यार मैंने इतना आईफोन इस्तेमाल करना नहीं
बेटा
आता.
गैजेट आप हो जाओ, तुम्हारे पास एक
Millennial-
बच्चा है
millennial
जो
issues
अल्फा
है.
बीटा आई डोंट नो व्हाट
Gamma.
gamma like
नहीं, I think their alpha is from 2025 or beta is
No,
from 2025.
beta is
no, no.
2025.
Beta is 2025. The one I have is alpha.
Yeah, the one
But
with
whatever bro, अपन millennial है, अपने से कुछ नहीं होएगा.
हाँ तो पर तुम्हें सीखना पड़ेगा. You have something coming across.
हाँ जैसे वरना जैसे हमारे पेरेंट्स आते हैं बेटा ये कैसे चलाते हैं, you'll have to go to them. Do you really
I
want
know,
that?
I'm like, please इसको चला के दे दो.
And नहीं कर सकते हो बेटा. You have to have something in like,
हम तो फिर भी कर लेते थे, अब ये आने वाली जनरेशन नहीं करने वाली.
They'll not do it for us. I don't expect I will do anything for us.
It's okay, normally record button भी press कर सकते हैं, वो wave gesture वैसे करने की क्या जरूरत है, बंद तो नहीं होगा.
नहीं चल
नहीं
रहा है.
सिर्फ स्टार्ट होता है.
Oh wow.
हाँ.